Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's me Chidera Case. Be coming across my video for the first time. You're welcome. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section, okay? And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. Thank you for always showing me love, okay? So guys, please, I'm here pleading for you guys to help me get to 500 subscribers before the end of this week, okay? We are almost there, right? We can do it. We can do it, okay? So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. Guys, these are the ingredients you'll be needing to make your native rice. I have my rice here. In here I have my onion, I have my red pepper, I have my garlic and my ginger. Garlic and ginger is optional. I have my scotch bonnet pepper, I have yellow pepper, I have red bell pepper and red chili pepper, okay? I have my scent leaf here. I don't know if you can see it. Like, I have scent leaf here. This is what scent leaf is like. You can use ugu, that is what you have. I have my crayfish. I have my iru. You can leave iru if you don't like iru, but I like the flavor iru give to native rice, okay? You can skip it if you don't like it. I have my palm oil, I have my salt, I have my seasoning cube, and I have my dried catfish, which you get to see as we go on. So guys, let's start cooking. So guys, we are going to start now by washing our rice. Cook for about 5 minutes, okay, or 7 minutes. Then I'll bring it down and rinse the last. So guys, I've finished preparing my pepper. I've washed it and I've deseeded the red pepper. You have to remove the seed so that you won't end up with a bitter food, okay? So I'll cut it now and pour everything in my blender. Alright, so I'm going to first blend my, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to first blend my garlic and my ginger. I will smoothen it before adding in my pepper because I don't want to blend my pepper to smooth. I just want to blend it coarsely, okay? So now I'm going to cut all these peppers so that it can blend well. I'll cut it to enable my blender to blend it. I'm not blending it to smooth. I'm coarsely blending it. So guys, I'll start by adding in my palm oil. I'll let this oil to heat. There's no need for you to bleach it. We are not bleaching anything here. We're just going to allow the oil to heat up. So I'm going to go in with my onion. I'll go in with my iru. I'm going in now with my locust beans. That's my iru. Then I'll stir. I'll let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, I'll go in with my dried fish. I'm going to stir it. I'll allow it to fry for 2 minutes before going in with my rice. So So guys, I will go in now with my seasoning cube. I will go in with my sauce. I'm going to stir. I will go in now with my rice. So guys, I will pour in my pepper. And I'm going to use water to rinse the inside and pour it in my rice. So I'm going to turn this now. And I'll allow it to cook. While this is cooking, I will go ahead to prepare my scent. I'm going to start picking the scent. You start picking it from here. You just want to pick your best leaf, okay? Then after picking it, I'll go off the camera now to pick the rest of the scent leaf, wash it and slice it off camera. Alright? If at this point you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Help your girls get to 500 subscribers this month. We are already at 450. Thank you very much to everybody supporting my channel, okay? Subscribe, like, and leave a sweet comment for yourself. So guys, let's check on our rice. Our rice is cooked. I've tested for salt and it's okay. So I'm going to add in my scent leaf now. Then I'm going to turn it. Rice is cooked. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching my video, and if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Alright guys, until I come your way next time, bye.